Ravenna, Texas, 2024. We're in the middle of Bodark harvest right now. We're middle of October. So some of the methods we use, we've got a mallet that we use to tenderize. Basically, we're breaking up the cell walls, and that releases the seeds from the pulp. Then we're going to use a concrete mixer to agitate that. Turn that on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, dump it out. I'm going to use a tool to cut and agitate. Got a cutter blade on one side, a little flat side on the other. It's a big long paddle, so you get lots of leverage. So you can really cut through the horse apple pieces. Then you shovel it back in to the concrete mixer. And turn it on for another 30 minutes, and then dump it out, and then you start making your draws. You're gonna pull everything out except for bottom inch, and that's where the seeds will be at the bottom. So that process right there will yield you about 1 jar of seeds, between 3 and 5 pounds with each draw. So we're getting the process down. It's getting faster all the time. Just takes a little time and practice. We start producing about 10 pounds a day, I'd be happy.